Hello and welcome to Tri-State Amateur Radio Las Vegas, Nevada. And don't forget our net tonight at 8 p.m. Arizona time.
Wednesday night 22900 net. My name is Jane and my call is KI7FPL. This is an open net sponsored by the Tri-State Amateur Radio Incorporated, Las Vegas, Nevada. Is there any emergency traffic at this time? This net is the testing of the reliability of the system and to show interest in 220, 900 megahertz covering Utah, Arizona, Nevada, and California. The following is roll call. MP, Bob.
Well, good evening, Jane, and everyone on the net tonight. WB6TNP Las Vegas here. I have no further traffic.
There, Bob. Next is N7LD Lee.
Las Vegas, no traffic.
And there, Lee. Next is WV7C Dick. Seven ANO Paul.
This is N7ANO. Paul and Kingman with no traffic. Have a great evening.
And thanks for that check in there, Paul. Next is WA7GIV Mary.
WA7GIV, and evening to everybody on the net.
Check in there, Mary. Next is WA7I Jack.
A7I Jack, Kingman. Good evening to you in the net, no traffic.
Check in there, Jack. And then there's myself, KI7FPL, and I am also in Kingman with no traffic. Next is KE7SNI Tim.
KE7SNI Timothy Kingman. Good evening to everyone.
And there, Tim. Next is K6PQN Jack.
Good evening, K6PQN up on California at 900. No traffic.
That check in there, Jack. Next is KD6GHX Eric. This is WA5C Ben. I6EAY Fred.
Well, good evening, Jane, and everyone on the net. Fred here, KI6EAY. I am still in Albuquerque. I'm working on trying to get out to Arizona. Maybe I'll leave Sunday. We'll see how that goes. In any case, back to you, Jane. KI6EAY, back to net.
That check in there, Fred, and I hope you have safe travels to Arizona. Next is KE6HHL Dave.
Good evening, Jane, and everyone on the net. This is Dave, KE6HHL here in Kingman. No traffic.
In there, Dave. Next is KD7YAT Ed.
Hello, Jane in the net, KD7YAT from Camp Verde. No traffic, thank you, Jane.
There, Ed. Next is KG6DTL Rob. TND Ralph. 7WHS Chris.
WHS, Chris in Kingman. No traffic. Thank you.
Thanks for that check in there, Chris. Next is KK7KBQ Scott.
Good evening, Jane in the net. This is Scott, KK7KBQ, Southeast Kingman, Arizona. And welcome to our 2 weeks of winter. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for the net, Jane.
Thanks for the check-in there, Scott. And you know it. Last week was all nice and warm, and this week and next week are going to be winter again. And thanks for the check-in. Next is KD6MKB, Phil.
MKB, Kingman, no traffic.
In there, Phil. Next is KK7RKX, Danny. Is 7GRE, Gary.
W7GRE, this is Gary in Valley Vista, wishing everyone on the net and yourself, Jane, a great evening and no traffic. Thank you.
Check in there, Gary, and I hope you had a great evening, too. Next is WA6NGU, Stan. 6SIT, Paul.
Everybody on the net, this is Paul, N6SIT here in Big Pine, and I have no traffic.
Check in there, Paul. Next is NW6C, John.
NW6C, John, here in Bishop, California. And the link is working good tonight, except an occasional woodpecker gets in there. But otherwise, no traffic.
Right there, John, and thanks for the check-in. Next is WA6Q, Billy. 7GWW, Bradley.
17GWW, Bradley in Cooley Dam, Washington. Good evening, Jane, and to the net, and I have no traffic up here.
And Bradley. Next is KD6KOV, Joe. 6DRD, Arthur. Are there any late or missed members? Come now. More time, please. Visitors that would like to check in, come now. Does anybody have any final comments for the net? My name is Jane, and my call is KI7FPL. Thank you for taking the time to check into the net, and the Tri-State Amateur Radio Incorporated frequencies are now clear.